back, and Lahori sure know how to pull up for an event. We are here at Lam Fashion Week's inaugural edition, bringing you all new and old designers back on the ramp. We've got gossip from the red carpet and shows on the ramp. Let's go check it out.
It's very heartening to see that everybody wanted this so bad. Got all the teams that were with us then, we got them all back. Everybody is so excited. It's a vibe. Earlier it was about fashion and the awareness of fashion. Now it is about the awareness and the conversion of fashion into commerce by the use of technology. Now we're going to take it to different heights and take the brands of Pakistan to the next level.
We were expecting a response of X. It's like 5 to 10x. जो LFW का concept है, जिसके through हम true artisan, true craftsmanship की represent करना चाह रहे हैं. The idea is कि we are thinking of this as a very long-term institute. So the idea is this institute will keep on representing our fashion.
My best wishes to everyone who's participating, the big names here, and I wish them all the very best.
आज मैं सिर्फ एक फैशन वीक डायरेक्ट नहीं करना है, मैं पाकिस्तान का एक नैरेटिव के अंदर उसका इजाफा करना है कि we can and will do everything and anything. We are a youth-driven nation, ma'am. And today at LFW, we are celebrating that. So you asked me how I am excited about the show. I'm excited because I get to be part of the brand narrative of Made in Pakistan and I get to direct it. I'm literally wearing my heart on my sleeve. अभी सारा इवेंट है मेरा जी. I designed it all A to Z. मैंने डिज़ाइन किया, एक्सिक्यूट भी किया. मेरी कलेक्शन जो है उसका नाम है मुसाफिर. It is my journey in a small celebration of my country. You're going to see the colors of Pakistan, and Pakistan is a spice market of dreams and ideas.
We are putting our best foot forward. Let's see how people like it. It showcases whatever the brand is offering so far. We're showcasing formals and bridals, unless you want to wear a bridal to Basant. So why not?
Which you're more than
Why
welcome.
not? Yeah.
I'm looking forward to her segment. Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
I am super thrilled because I moved to Lahore to be able to model, and then COVID aa gaya to ruk gaya, so I'm so thrilled that Fashion Weeks are back. I'm closing a show today and then another one later. मैं मॉडलिंग को लेकर बहुत शौकीन हूँ, वरना मुश्किल काम है वैसे, because we here from 10-11 AM daily और हम वापस जाते हैं 12-1 बजे. तो पहले मैं जाकर कपड़े इस्त्री करता हूँ, सोचता हूँ मैंने कल क्या पहनना है, and then I decide this is Givenchy and I've been meaning to wear this. I buy these nice clothes and I have no place to wear them. So thanks to Lam and HSY and people like that, come pehen sakte. I think give it another 2-3 years when people start to innovate and create trends. So at this point, I'd say I like if people have just shown up and they present collection on short notice. I'd say Sadaf Fawad today, Deepak and Fahad, and Kamya Rukni.
Now we were looking for partners who could help grow the industry and scale it on the commerce side. So when we came, we met Lam and we saw what all they had achieved. So there was no looking back. So I was like, okay, that is the next step.
Basic idea was to do something in handweave and to make something which is very Pakistani, yet it blends totally into Western culture as well. So that was all about it. The color palette is inspired from Mark Rothko's paintings. So if you look at his paintings, I took the colors from his painting and used in the collection.
After 4 years के बाद दोबारा fashion show है, which feels great. Thanks to LFW.
Yes. We need to have more fashion weeks here, of course.
Yes, exactly.
Keep the fashion alive.
Yeah.
Sherwanis.
Yeah, because fashion weeks are supposed to be where you show your creative side, not a regular groom wear. I mean, for bridal week it's perfect, but if it's a fashion week, then it should be something out of the box.
I'm
feeling great and being a part of it is even more greater. So I mean ये चीज़ें होनी चाहिए और बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत मतलब इतना कोई creativity देखने को मिलता है तो it's amazing. मैं बहुत बैक स्टेज देखे बट आई थिंक फुल फ्लेज फैशन का बैक स्टेज मैंने अभी देखा. It's hilarious. I mean, the way people are managing things back to back walk के लिए, kudos to the whole team and everything. जो भी इसमें involved हैं, उनको salute है man. As a musician मैं बोलूँगी मेरा काम मुझे बहुत आसान लगता है when I see this, but it's pretty amazing. And Fahad Hussain, for me he's a king man. I mean, creativity का बादशाह है वो. It's all Fahad Hussain. You know when there's Fahad Hussain, मैं अपना दिमाग घर पे छोड़ के आ जाती हूँ.
This is Fahad Hussain. It can't go wrong. The song we made together, Fahad and me, and then the dress, all came together and all the nervousness went away.
This March को मुझे इस business में 32 years हो जाएंगे. मैं 32 years से ये platform के ऊपर काम कर रहा हूँ. I remember जब हम shows करते थे तब तो shows का कोई एहसास भी नहीं था. But this is very exciting for me, not because एक fashion platform है. इस वक्त पूरी दुनिया की नज़र पाकिस्तान पे है. We have just been victorious. Everybody wants to see what's next, and this is what's next. And what that is textile, value add, proudly made in Pakistan.
Well, in the whole week, I'm looking forward to Mohsin Tawassoli's show. I'm really looking forward to that. And I haven't seen a big HSY extravaganza in a really long time. So I'm really looking forward to that too.
Fashion Weeks are so back! I'm really excited because I haven't done a red carpet in a hot minute and it feels fun. I feel like that energy is in the air. Everybody's really happy to be here. I like that they made an effort for the red carpet. Like it looks fantastic. Okay, so apart from Kami, I am really looking forward to Mo by Mohsin Tawassoli. I think he's a fantastic designer and I don't think enough people are talking about him. And I'm also really looking forward to Saira Shakira.
Epic, awesome, fantastic. It's Fashion Weeks deserve us. I'm looking forward to the way the industry comes together every time something like this happens. It's not about being individualistic. I think it's about the community, it's about the union, it's about the collectiveness of it.
I mean, I'm extremely happy. My heart was fluttering. But वैसे बहुत सुकून. I'm really fond of big silhouettes, big volume these days. और I'm glad even me, I've gone I've left the skinny jeans behind. But because I was tired of looking very, I would say I was blending in. And I personally don't like to blend in that way. I want to look high fashion but functional, but modest. I still want to show my personality through my clothes. So whatever you saw, it's purely what I felt like doing.
We're feeling very good about LFW. We're very excited that this platform of taking fashion seriously as a business is up and running again. I organized beforehand, but on the day today, in fact, I kept it really simple because I was kind of tired because I'm showing tomorrow. So when you are feeling a little tired, it's best to slap on a suit. We are looking forward to what the House of Kamya Rukni does, which is elegant femininity for the real woman and craftsmanship and color.
I'm feeling nostalgic because it's been such a long time.
It's been pre-COVID, post-COVID, we needed this.
Everyone puts an effort and mehnat into whatever they put forward, and it's gonna be good. But like I know in my heart that like Kami and Mohsin, because I'm so familiar with their brands, you know those ones are gonna be good.
Most silhouettes. I feel like they're taking over fashion, and an interesting new one is Suman.
It feels fantastic. You know, we've been working on this for a year and it's been a lot of sleepless nights, countless tears, blood, sweat, and time, and it's very emotional also to see that, an idea that started as a conversation in a car, or some rough pointers in a notebook or thoughts in our head are actually happening. And I realized that I hadn't shown in 10 years in a fashion week. I decided that this is the 27th year of Karma being in existence, so we decided to celebrate the legacy of the last 3 decades. So yesterday was an ode to all our classic motifs and colors and cut and all the things that we love. It was a real embrace your inner drama queen and your inner, girly, feminine girl and your Punjabiness, and just sort of take it to town. And, I'm not one to shy away from color or bling or glamour, so thoroughly enjoyed it. It was crazy putting it together, and I'm really grateful for my team. I couldn't have done it without them.
Honestly, it just feels so unreal. It's like, we just dreamt it up in our heads, and now suddenly it's happening. So we're just overwhelmed. Started with the dream team. I'll be honest with you. It started with Maheen, Arif and Amr from Lam, Saad, us, Lotus, Shah Jahan, me. We just sat down and we just started writing who we wanted, what we wanted from them. And then it just suddenly, it's like, you manifested that paper, suddenly has now come to fruition, I guess. The mixing of textures. So on the day one, yesterday, we saw some really nice, interesting concepts from younger students where they mix suede with like leather, like another kind of leather, and then cotton and twig, and so it was just beautiful.
Everyone else, we're showing after like 10 years, so we're very excited about it. We do what we've always done. We've done fusion, a little bit of desi, a little bit of western mix. That we have a lot of print also, and kaam to hai, but colorful.
It's going from whites to blacks and reds and greens. So you'll enjoy the color palette.
Super exciting, super exciting, and I think it should be done more often now.
We're looking forward to it.